Should I marry you? Handnam. Huh? Why should I marry you? Which state? No, no state. It's a province. Bicol province, Philippines. Bicol province is a province. I'm living here in the province. Different in ano no. It's a different in America. America is a state. Here, province, Bicol. David Moore. Hi, Sir David Moore. My bad. It's it's fine. 76. Hi, 76 people. Where are you from? I want to join. Desha. Pero like, I don't like, I don't like. Thank you po, 18 people in the house. Thank you so much. Why did it have to? Thank you so much. It had to win the sun when you said that you would never hear me. Mom, daming manok. Maraming manok. 82 people. Hi. 45 likes. Thank you po. 83. Hi, Coco. Coco. Ano, 120, 1, 75, 75. Frank. Hi, Frank. Frank. You look beautiful. Oh, thank you. Dirty Harry. Hi. Ah, thank you, Rick. Thank you, Rick. Hi, boyfriend. Why a boyfriend? Thank you, Rick. Thank you for the gift. Kevin Reed. Kevin Reed. 8411. Nestor Omar Rodriguez. Hi. Um, Kevin Reed. Coco. Why love? Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Thank you po, Sir Dwayne. You're welcome. Gee, 72 people. Oh my god. I'm watching my own.